Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure POCO C55 for a senior person. And to do this, let's start with opening our settings. Inside, if we look for a simple or senior mode, there's no such thing, which means we'll need to change all of the settings manually. So here, first let's scroll down and enter display, go for the font, and or not the font, under font there's a text size, and you'll be able to adjust the text size right here. I'll make it as big as possible. Then we can go back, scroll down in the main settings to additional settings, go for accessibility and change to division. Here we can go for the display size and also make it as big as possible, which makes everything bigger, like icons, text, and etc. We'll need to save it in the top right corner of the screen. Then we can scroll down to magnification, also activate it. That way you'll get this icon floating around your screen. Click on it, that way your phone will turn on with orange outlines. You can click anywhere on the screen to zoom in during these lines are enabled, and to disable them, click on the icon again. Now let's go back and scroll down. There's remove animations. We can activate them to reduce motion sickness when using this device. And one last thing is high contrast text. When you enable it, you can see that the text becomes much more readable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.